Best to everyone, and welcome to VGA and SMTV's demonstration in a conjunction, because I'm the one who developed our work on the website as a webmaster. And even before crossing over to WordPress, that we do have a SMTV's community and everything there, because we did that for things to move much faster. SMTV's store, so we wouldn't have to finish completing the store program I was working on. SMTV's community that I created, right? So I'm in the lab and I'm thinking of creating a brand new framework that embodies a lot of project that I just did over a period of time and even refined. My only days working with web program, my main project that I really do, like every program I have a project or a software that they work on, is my HTML5 generator that I did before anyone even really created a HTML5 generator in the web. And I stand to that till this day, because when I did it, I searched the whole entire web that day to find, and there was nothing listed in Google. And I found one thing from Apple computer that had a C version of creating a HTML5 player. So you see how long my HTML5 program, and it's like, no, it's really a top program. It creates stuff like this that you're looking at the screen. Well, after like going through some stuff and really like checking out a lot of things that I did. So this is SMTVS inside SMTVS that I had scaled down to just a few things as I started to build it up, but we're still building SMTVS. Doesn't matter. In the future, the newer version of SMTVS.com will embody or even other things more than the WordPress program. So we do have a in-house video system here, and I created a paging to page all the video in the database, right? So I can page my videos in the database, right? And hit up on the player, the paging to it. And here we have an upload for image. I created an image gallery, right? Also, okay. And that was the upload for the image gallery. And the video, well, we did that. So this was put up there, and then the other one was there. So now this is the actual video player that's connected to it. I did a lot of work here as a programmer. I think the users, that the program know which users are in the program at the moment. You see my name is up there. And it gives you a date when the program was posted, right? In fact, why this is happening right here, because generally I don't open this part of the program by just simply open it, because if you open it, when you open it like this, it's not associated in the players. But if I click on this right here, the program will straighten up itself and said, oh, that's what. See, because these pages need to be opened in conjunction with an ID, even though I catch the first video that is in the database just in case. Okay, so it will determine how much time the video was played. It will also give you a variety of links like Facebook, Twitter, various sides of the embed. Copy the link to your script board, send a user message, all that stuff works. Okay. And the posting. So this posting system is not like a reply posting system, but a posting system where you watch, because this is just like a TV. So you watch a TV and you post what you're posting about the program that you will see on the TV or whatever, and then whatever program you post to, you post into it, and you make a reference to what you're posting, because it will also give you a description of what you're actually posting in the system. So if you're posting something in regards to any one of these programs, you enter blah 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 and make your post, and it'll come up here with your little thing, right? So that's the way I did my thing over here. Okay, with the search works for real. The search is in conjunction with Google search. So if you can use it as a search for real. Moving up more over now. So that's smtvs.com, that's online now. Something that I was doing for smtvs.com was trying to embody or create a community. And that's like a good time back, about 4 or 5 years back. We are during that period of time, I think it was PHP 6. And I did complete the program and everything working. But after the program started going to PHP 7 and on, style of how you will call stuff on the database start changing, and I sort of abandoned for a while. But we have a new project that we're doing, and we need to look at all the different functions, all the functions them that I did over a period of time, and function that's doing something, because all these functions are still workable function in a workable program. So if we back forward and we said, we noticed we did paging function to page videos, right? And we can click on this and it will call the video, right? Like that. So that's a function right there, right? Another function is to display the video in the screen and the information. So that's a function, okay? And other functions, image function is to click on the image and the image appear there. Not just really appear there, we have a number of things, like we can do people, and we can do nature, and we can do love, and we can do food, and we can do car, and we can do cities, right? And we can do all of them, right? So that's another stuff, right? And we do car, right? And you click on car, there is a link that you can link to that car. Okay, so that's the stuff I worked on, like my image gallery. Okay, and like I said, this is a video image post you can post. So we'll step back to the stuff to show you we're talking about functions and things like that, right? And we can play a video, right? So that's the thing. Now we'll move over to the part of when I was creating, the site, right? Well, I had to rework the script in a possible way, because there was so much PHP script in this program, and it's written in 6. I'm telling you, it takes me a long time to really change all these things around. And so far, I got the text, like the text stuff working. Because this is, if you go to my new website now, you'll see this. I have this there, and I just threw it in this morning to test if the text is still happening. All right. This was originally an image post, right? So I need to go into the system and try to figure out why these images. Once I connect back these images so they can display back in the system, and then try to fix the image posts, right? So this work similar, like I was working on my stuff, like, okay, fine, there is a notification there from me, right? And I can definitely go to that notification that is right here inside the system. In conjunction, in creating the system, I created a customized messaging system that you can read these messages or reply to it, right? Okay. So we're going to drop back some and come from the message that, was read. This is just a reminder stuff, then you can really like click it on. And these are all your reminders So I do it so your reminders, just your notifications keep popping up on your screen right here. If you come into the screen, you will see it. Also, I had created, well, you know, you have the stuff, display your stuff here and things like that here. Okay, we have, if you join the site, but I was thinking you join the site, you can go view other members in the site that you may want to link. And from this area, you can follow, okay, there's a follow, yeah, and that's my custom following script too, because during the time when I created like some form of following script, I had no information on how to really create a follow script, but only that the information in my head, oh, it's supposed to work, right? That you follow someone, and I started to build it more on a friend level. It's a friend following script now, more than us following the person. I'm gonna change it into just click it and that person is following you. But it was more like on a friend following a friend. So that why I'm logged in now, and you see this is displayed right here on the screen below me, because these are the person that I am following, or the person that I befriend. And in case I need to link them, I can link them from here, you know, like that. And it sends a text message as well, right? And you see here, this is still need to be worked on a little bit because I was changing out. Okay, what happened? I created homesmtvs.com and had to make the old folder old. I went and created a user folder and put that folder in there now, so I need to go inside that folder and make changes so all the avatars will show up. And so all your friends shows up in your mail, so you can just say, oh, I'm in my mail, I just sent Von a mail, or this man a mail, let me click here and send this other person a mail, right? So this is your mail system. And I have versions of it that you can actually send a real email from there to someone. That I just didn't set up that a return email come through there, but I set it up so you can send the email directly to the phone or to your email once you do it there, and it's recorded in the database as well. Okay, so those are some of the functions, and I think it's really good function. It's going to be a great thing in a new framework, right? So we talk about the following right there, and or we can link someone right there by teletext and that type of stuff. It actually does it. How it really works is that every member who joins has to select like the telephone that they use, their carrier, and that's stored inside the database. So now when someone come and send you a message in the system, it dispatch this message to you that, hey, there's a message to you at smtvs.com, right, to your phone. And then it dispatch one to your email. And then if you log inside, then, you understand, so those are the functions, real functions. So now I'm inside the program, and we log on to the social network, IMP social network theme. We can view all posts that was made by IMP, right? And the message is still connected to you, right? Because you can't see IMP message. You only can see your message. If I click, it's still my message, not IMP message, right? Okay, and you can go to the profile, right? Because you are in the IMP index. So you can move from IMP index to IMP profile and even go to IMP post while you're there. And you can go back home to IMP, where everything is. Now, you are a user, you still log in, you still notice that the stuff is still displaying the administration because you're on the administration page. Okay? So those are functions we're going to be using in a lot of ways. how do the users get to the user page? That is the next part of the function. Okay, the user get to this page by clicking here, right, and go to your home page. So now I'm on my home page, right? And this is to go right now to my profile page. And this will take me to all my posts, right, in the page. Okay. Now I can go back here and I can check my notification from here, right? Okay. I can also go to my messaging from here, and so I want to send a new message, so it'll just carry me over there to send a new message, right? Okay. And we can definitely go home now, right? And profile page and page are similar, same thing, but if you click here, it'll carry you to a profile page, right? Very simple. So we're still working on stuff. Okay, profile page. So let's go to the post, because that menu is 2 different menus not working. Not everything really working 100%, you know. But because I'm trying to bring it up to the version of the PHP that's known, right? So you can definitely go home back to your page. So meanwhile, I'm in my stuff, because you see it starts saying my name. It's given Van Gunn at smtvs.com there. Into the site. Now I can visit this user right here site and hop on over to their profile. Right, cool. And okay, and go back home to the site. Right. So you guys see all of that. Now the posting up text is just you simply write something there and click enter and we'll do that. The video post was not working now, was working when I in 6, and image post in 6. So, oh yeah, last but not least, we have like a live search, you know what I mean? I guess if I put I don't know if I'll get anything. It's not really working right now, I guess. It's probably not to fix the addresses in there, but this is a live search. So you click, start putting names in it, and it will go to the database to see which user is in the system by the live search. So that's function there that we said that's a good function. So let's move on and move up furthermore into the store area and stuff. So user stuff, this is another part of more functions that I've did that still altogether display a lot of new function, like this one counts the amount of file that is put into the database and let you know there's 10 files in the database and put it on the side right there. And we show you a description of the product file or the user that's in the site on the description side. This is an artist thing, so it definitely show you the artist name and the tag that the artist is under, right? It shows you the music file physically. I could have stuck the little player there, and the image and the song name. I also display the price in this for a reason that just to display the price. You can delete and you can edit, right? So upon editing the file, you definitely can change the song, change the image, and change the wording and update. You know what I'm saying? I think we go insert new records here. And then you have new records then. So you can do the same thing by selecting an image, selecting a song, fill in information, and post the stuff. And when it's posted, it appears here. Right? So now this just flip back to my personal administration. If you notice, look at this. Right? This is a user version of the administration. But if I click back, and click back one, and click back one, now you notice you're in the administration version. Let me go back there. It's still there. Okay, so that's the administrative version. Anyway, so there's the administrative version. So this is what I want to get to anyway. So this is the search part of the page. It's almost like the shop too, but it's just like the search part, display the products and everything, and then you can search through them by saying, let me see what albums are available inside the place, and it gives you an album. It gives you the singles that's available there as well, because I clicked on a single, right? So it shows you the single. And music CD, if you click on that, and everything else is on the music, so it will show you that, the whole complete package. And depress these guys right here. And so it goes the same way. If I said Spagabins, I'll get Spagabins. So we're not going to go through the whole process of you just know if I clicked on Johnny B, it'll be Johnny B, and that's a search. So let's move along, and if we should just do it anyway. We click on a program, that program is going to do this. But I had a page that I wanted you to really see, so I should make the page come back. Right? I have a page that I want you to see. Okay. So we are here to the page. Okay, so yeah. When we click on that, Johnny P, it is going to come here to the store, the next store page, which is another version of the store page that you can actually click on a song and play the song. Like the song, you can send the song to the cart. We'll move it here and we can go back, right? And revert to where we was. Okay? So that's the store. We still working on scripts like these. We showing you. Let me see some here. And we got to. So yeah. There's another that I wanted to show you guys, but it seemed like we are going so fast through the system of design that I missed that page. But I can bring it up by adding something here in the right? Okay. So now, this is another version of the shopping cart that I worked on. And we were working on it for mostly for a discography part of the page. So you see the stuff that we're doing to the pages, right? We talk about a lot. So yeah, VGA Lab now, we just do a lot of stuff, right? And you guys know I have my HTML5 dark world generator, and if you look around, you see I made a lot of this with dark world generator. And believe you me, all the stuff you see I show you right there, I actually implement them inside the dark world generator. The dark world generator can at least do one thing, produce the template them in a record time, like say video template, say that we wanted a social community template, audio templates, store templates. By one click of a button in Blackwell HTML5 generator, you can create these things and then save these pages, come back and put it in your folder, go to your database, and if you know PHP, you know, to start transferring and putting all the stuff. Like when I did this page is created by the dartboard generator. When I created in the dartboard generator, I just created this stuff here, the share, the player, and all this. And I added the stuff inside there during a period of the time. And I was doing that, right? And then I took it out now and I went back and I went to my database. So this is my database over here, and we looked at stuff that we have in the database, and we triggered it back into the program, right? So that we get what we want. So that's how really program go. And if I go here, and I think I can have a demo of something which I'm rewriting all the program to eventually just be this right here. Because I first work on a program what I want, like making a draft, what I really want, and from all those different stuff there, the community, right? The store, the video, the gallery, you know what I mean, the paging of the files, and the administration of the files and all that is going to just be in like a one package, right? So when I was saying to you earlier that I created this in the generator, and this is what I did in the generator. So you can see basically the same thing that I just showed you, right? Only thing is just a different one with a card, right? And yeah, that's all we did that. And this is created just like, okay, fine, we got albums, right? And we have artists, right? And then of course we're gonna have the gears, and you know, we're gonna have the free music, right? Those stuff just run back to the site. And then we have the store, right? And then we'll have a home page, right? And then you can have your sidebar menu over here, accounts, and home. So a lot of looking at this right here that I'm showing you, okay, so we talk about this, right? And then we'll definitely look here at this, right? And we definitely know that, okay, if you try to visualize some things, you see, right? Come into here, right? So, let's go here. Yes, you see, we have this here, and we should bring it up here so it's closer. So we say, look at this, and look at this, and look at that, and look at this, and that. Boom. So you know what the store is going to really look like in the future, right? Right? And stuff like that. And this is going to be like a one where you, though we use the cart right now to do this, you hit here, and you hit here, it's going to just whop you over here and do your thing, and everything is great. Thanks you guys for like viewing my video. VGA Development 204. We're going to be building a new frame network from all our functions to create the one media site that embodies wave audio player, video playing system, like we show you guys here. I mean, we got it all for you, you know what I mean? And I think we should go out on my song, right?
Nexus.
Right?
MJ Beats.
So, we are saying enough love to everyone who take time to come to YouTube and Facebook to watch iGrade Nexus, the web developer, giving you some stuff, right?
Keep me walking stronger, There's all those bad people walking around us trying to get us out, trying to keep us on, but we strong like a llama, we're trying up on the real time thing moving up. It's just the nexus, and the real life when we shooting up. Top century business dropping every way for them, so make them know I'm right here. Got my blessing.
So, thanks for watching the video.